Ano man ang sabihin nila, this is ours.
Lalagyan po natin ng laman yung inyong barangay health center. Mga paracetamol, mga diatabs, kung ano man po yan. At sisiguraduhin natin, Mayor, kakausapin ko po ang Provincial DOH na magpadala once a month po dito ng doktor o magkaroon ng medical mission po kayo.
The Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Outstanding Achievement Medal and Ribbon is hereby awarded to Auxiliary Rear Admiral Erwin E. Soto, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, for its exceptionally meritorious service and extraordinary contributions.
We'll be supporting you in the days to come. Continuously, we have to support you guys, our armed forces. Panindigan na natin ito, for generations to come. Let's develop this.